Hello, lovely people. Now that you have your trial for Minds Networks, I'm here to show you how easy it is to get set up in just 5 to 6 minutes so that your network fits your brands and needs and is ready to launch for the wide variety of users. So in this example here, I have a network that I've started out and I want to try to grow it out as a community of soccer fans. Some fantasy soccer tips and advice for money, perhaps in the form of a membership. So I've got my trial here that I just got from Minds, and now I want to customize it so that it doesn't look so generic and actually has my potential network's look and feel. So let's go ahead and do that within the general settings. So I'm going to give my network a name. I'm also going to give it a little description. You don't have to have a description, but having a description works well for SEO purposes, so definitely do keep that in mind. We also have an option for users to be able to have a landing page. So in this example here where we have the landing page enabled, for a logged out user, your network would look something like this, where they'd be prompted to either join the network or log in if they already have an existing account. We also have a public visibility setting that you can toggle off or on, and this is a setting for those network owners who want their network to be public and want it to be accessible even by people who might not have an account. So moving on, we do see that the logo on our network, as well as on that landing page that we just saw, is still too generic, and we want to change it so that it better fits our current network's brand. In my case, this would be a more soccer-centric brand. So I'm going to go ahead and change this primary color to a nice, strong, shady green. Still want to keep light mode on, however, you can easily change it to dark mode if you want to. And we're going to upload assets that fit the general requirements. So we want to make sure that we have at least 2 square images. And the square images can be the same image as long as they're transparent. And we want a horizontal logo as well, so that goes on the top of the nav bar there. And once we're happy with our changes, we can go ahead and hit save. And what that does is it updates our branding on the nav bar. And if we go ahead and check out the landing page for a logged out user, we have it looking like this with a network's branding. So now that I'm happy with the overall look and feel of my network, I still want to be able to potentially offer a membership where I can paywall certain posts that and enable you to gain revenue. We go on this monetization tab right here. And before we go ahead any further, make sure that you have a current Stripe account that is connected, and ensure that you have your public key and secret key inputted in. So I've already gotten my public key and secret key inputted, but you can find your credentials using this guide here, where in your Stripe dashboard you will have a set of API keys. That includes the publishable key, which is the public key that is inputted here, and you'll be given a secret key. Make sure you keep your secret key in a safe place because you're only able to view it once when accessing it. So once you've gone ahead and done that, you can go ahead and create a new membership. So I'm going to call this membership Fantasy Soccer Tips. We can give a short description if we want. You don't have to, but I'm going to write a very brief description. This gives you the option to choose your pricing model as well as the price you want to set. So I'm going to set it at $2 per month. And you can assign the members who you'll be inviting and the people who will have this membership exactly what roles they can have. So I'm going to go ahead and give these potential members, the verified role, and we can optionally add them to groups if we want to. I'm not going to do it for this membership. That we're happy with our membership details, we can go ahead and hit create. And once it says that the membership has been successfully saved, you can see here that you have a current membership, which assigns the user the role verified. And the way the membership screen looks like on the network itself is this page here, where users can easily click on join membership to check out, and the landing page what a user sees when a user is logged out, with the user being able to see what memberships your network might offer. So they can go ahead and click on that join membership link, and that would take them to the membership checkout when signing up, making your chances of revenue go up even further. And now if we want to curate our network and make sure that new users who are just signing up on the network don't just see an empty newsfeed, we can go ahead and make use of this add featured users feature to actually curate their experience, content, and posts that they can interact with. And I make sure that all new users are subscribed to me as well, because I don't want them to potentially miss any potential announcements I might have or any merchandise I might be selling at a particular week. So this is a great feature for your network to both curate your new users' experience, as well as make sure that the users on your network aren't missing anything important when it comes to either notifications or general content itself. So now that we have a custom built network with some of these features, we can go ahead and really start using it and inviting people. And if you want to go ahead and invite people in bulk, you can easily use the invite tool here, where you can add in a list of emails. You can even set their user roles if you want to, and send a personalized invite message